Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the cellar. Now, my name is Rich Hurley, and we're going to have some fun tonight with illusions. Everything you see here is an illusion. It's not real. I need someone to bring out their cell phone. First person to bring out the cell phone, I'm going to use your cell phone. There he is. Would you put it in camera mode? Now, here, you're not allowed at the Magic Castle, you're not allowed to take pictures. But I'm going to use this as a live camera. And did you examine this, sir? Make sure that's solid. And may I have your, okay, is this an Apple phone? Yep. iPhone, great. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take this handkerchief, and what I'm going to do, watch this very carefully. Do you see me inside the camera?
Yes.
I'm not inside the camera. That's an illusion. This is real. This is an illusion, and so is this. This is the illusion. Okay, now you have a hole in your phone, sir. You need to call Apple Care. They'll help you out with that. Tell them you went to the Magic Castle, and they'll know exactly. I bought that trick wholesale. Oh boy. All right, now I'm all about teaching magic. I like to teach you guys a trick. You come to the castle, we're going to fool you all night long, but I'm actually going to reveal the secret to one of my tricks. So here's how it's going to work. First of all, you got to go to the magic store and buy one of these. This is a, what does that say there, sir? Antonio?
Marked deck.
Marked deck. You need one of these. And this, you can do some amazing tricks. You don't even need the toaster box for this. All right, now here's the thing. You can absolutely pick any card. I'm just going to have you pick a card this time. So say stop anytime.
Stop.
Right there. So you stop me at the 7 of hearts. We're going to take that 7 of hearts, we're going to bury it in the pack. And you may wonder, how can I find your card? Would you wonder that?
Marked deck.
Marked deck. So there are secret markings on the back of these cards, but only I can see them with my X-ray infrared glasses. All right, here we go. I'm going to be looking for a card with a secret marking. You will not see it, guys, but I see it. You see this? Yeah. You guys all got the glasses. They're selling them in the gift shop, I know. Or you have the contacts. I don't know. Well, forget about this. This is nothing. My wife says I should leave this out of the act. The other day I left this hanging around the house and she got mad at me, but that's okay. Listen, I promise I'll find it. Do you remember what your card was?
7
of hearts, yeah, okay, we'll find it. Oh, now look at that. Now that could be your card. That is your card. Because it's that is your card. It is, the Joker is wild. That's your 7 of hearts. Right? Okay, you're not buying that. I'll put that on top of this. Forget about that. All right.
Yeah.
Going a long ways for this. Oh, now there's something. Wouldn't it be something if that was it? I can't wait to see.
Is it it? That's not it.
That's not it. No, that's not it. But that would be something. I promise we'll find it. Here we go. Oh.
It.
It. Out of all these cards, there's only one card that says it on it. One card that says it. What was your card?
7 of hearts.
The 7 of hearts. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put that right here. We're going to put it right here. In fact, I'm going to make sure nobody can even touch it. It's going to sit right here and...
Touch it.
Nobody says it? I nailed it. Usually somebody says that. All right, here we go. All right, this is good stuff.
How come nobody said nailed it?
Nobody said nailed it this time. That's interesting. Well, we found it. Let's try it one more time. Sir, I'm going to have you pick a card. Okay. So just say stop anytime. Tonight. We're not picking it now. All right, there we go. Okay, 4 of clubs. Now, you've only seen the faces of cards, so you don't know what secret markings on the back of this card. I'm going to go ahead and give these cards a little bit of a mix-up here, make sure they're fully mixed up, and we're going to try to find it. It. No? Okay, I don't see it. Let's see, I don't see it. Do you see it?
Esther?
Esther? Esther, you don't see it? You don't see it? Do you see it,
I don't
Antonio?
see it.
You don't see it? You don't see it?
It?
Oh, I see it.
What was your card?
4 clubs.
No. Oh my God.
There's your lucky souvenir, sir. You can go ahead and take it. Yeah, give that to the bartender. They'll do one of two things. They'll either give you a free drink, or they'll nail that to your forehead. Take your chances. Take your chances with that. All right. I have a favorite playing card, and I'm going to share it all with you. A lot of people think it's the Ace of Spades. It is not. It is the Joker.
Nice.
Do you guys see the resemblance?
Yes.
Yeah, my daughter is a very talented caricature artist. So what we're going to do is Antonio's going to be my inspector here. Antonio, are there any trapdoors, secret compartments in this glass jar?
No.
No. And is this indeed one single card?
Yes.
You can feel it. You can see it's just one single card, right?
Yes.
Now, watch this. It will never leave my fingertips. I will fold the card up, and it goes in the jar. Is there any doubt in your mind, Esther, is there a joker in this jar? Is there any doubt in your mind? No doubt. Do you see the second joker? Make sure no one touches that, Esther. All right, now, I am going to give you the magic touch. And that's kind of a fun thing to do here. So let's see. I'm going to mix the cards up just a little bit. And I'm going to give you the magic touch, all right? Are you ready? Okay. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to shuffle the cards up. I have a magic joker in this deck, another joker. So I'd like you to point to the deck and wiggle your fingers, and let's see what happens. Go ahead and point to the deck and wiggle your finger. Wow! Oh, it pops right out. There's the joker. Give her a hand. That's really magical. That is very magical. You're kind of here on the sidelines. I'm going to help. You can help me out. You can absolutely select any card you would like. Just take any card you would like.
Take it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just take one. Oh, great. That's not the one I was hoping you'd take, but that's fine. Okay, now show it to everybody. In fact, you can show it to me too.
Okay.
Okay, wait, no, we got it. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to look at it so it makes the trick easier. Oh, 7 hearts, I like that.
7 hearts.
Now, is there any doubt in your mind, is that card in the center of the deck?
Yeah.
Would you push it all the way in, please? Flush. Okay. That card is lost. No namby-pamby, skillet licking card, cheat and false, shuffling narrative, well, sleight of hand's going to find this card. That card is as lost as they come. Now, you won't see it anywhere towards the bottom, won't see it anywhere towards the top. But can you hand me that joker, please? Because jokers are wild. Now, where is your card? You pushed it in the middle of the deck, right? I didn't really shuffle them. We just put it in the middle of the deck. All you have to do is just say the magic words, Mele Kalikimaka, which means Merry Christmas in Hawaiian, I think, and Happy New Year.
Yes.
And Happy New Year. Okay, I'll give him one last little mix-up. Here we go. Jokers. Wait a minute, I need the joker. Where's the joker? Oh, no, we had another joker. Where's that other joker? Oh, it doesn't matter. It could be any card at all, not everybody picks it. Name any card, whatever card you name.
5 spades.
Bummer doesn't work with the 5 of spades. Hey, you know what? I keep that over here. That's why we don't even use these cards. Forget about those cards. Forget about that 5 of spades. We got to find the joker. I don't know what happened to the joker. The joker's lost in the deck, but we're going to use that joker in just a second. Oh, look at that. There's your card. Set comes right to the top. Where did that joker go? Did it fall on the floor? Oh, there it is, right there. Okay. Let's get that joker mixed up back in the deck here, because it's going to come in handy. We won't need that here. The cards mixed up. Now, can you reach over? Can you come over here and sign this card here? I'm going to have you take a pen here. And it's dark over here. I can't see my bigger pens. Okay. All right, here, that's right. We'll take this here, and would you sign your card here, put your name? No, not you. This is not your card. That was your card, right? The 7 of hearts?
Yes.
Okay, 7
By
of
the way,
hearts.
oh, it's an actual.
Yeah, it's an actual pen, yeah. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Very nice. What do you do for a living?
I sing.
You're an artist? Oh, you're a singer. Great. Julie. Give Julie a big hand here. Julie, we're going to do the world's fastest card trick now.
Okay.
Drum roll, please. That's pathetic. There we go. We're getting more like a drum roll. That's excellent. All right. Good drum roll. Ladies and gentlemen, the trick is over. Would you like to see it again?
So it's all in the jar.
Julie, would you please slide out your card to remind everybody what card you picked. Show it to everybody nice and high. Your Vanna White. There it is. Her 7 of hearts, right? No? Oh, it's the Joker. Wait a minute.
No.
Antonio, hold out your hand. I'm going to dump this into your hand. I'm not even going to touch it.
I love it.
Would you go ahead and open that up slowly? Show everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the world's fastest card trick. Right in there. All right. Well, now that I've whipped you into a frenzy, I'm going to do.
Wait, there are both hearts.
I know, I was hoping to do like a 4 of hearts and a 5 of hearts. Not quite.
What a great reaction. Can you come to all my shows? Sure. Yeah, I'll be in San Clemente next week.
I'll be here every Sunday. It's fine.
I'll have a limo pick you up and get the VIP treatment. All right. Folks, what you've seen so far are just magic tricks. But I do believe in real magic, like the magic of a sunset. You know what? The magic of love is amazing. And I've picked a loving couple here. And how long have you guys been together? Antonio and Esther. How long have you guys been together?
Not your question.
7 years.
7 years.
Wow.
She's not sure.
Come on, yeah. Just, that's a miracle. So in a lot of ways, relationships are a lot like a game of chance. You never know what card you're going to end up with, right? Well, we're going to try a little compatibility test here tonight with a deck of cards. Now, I'm going to use a different deck tonight because you guys are going to go home with this deck as a lucky souvenir of the Magic Castle. So first things first, we're not going to use the jokers, and we're not going to use these are the advertising cards. We're not going to use those. So I'm going to have you pick a card first. So go ahead and just say stop anytime.
Stop.
Right there. Oh, the 2 of spades. This means these 2 people dig each other. I make this stuff up as we go. That wasn't one of my better ones. But, okay, now, do you have a romantic nickname for him? Something in one of those quiet, intimate moments. Candlelight and the music. I'll tell you what, I have some suggestions here. You might want to pick some modest suggestions on this list here. I like this one here. You'll see here. Hot Lips is a good one, huh? Stud Muffin. Oh, Stud Muffin. Drill Sergeant.
Tarzan.
What, you said Tarzan. Wow, you have a new nickname. Tarzan. Tarzan, all right. Well, let's etch this into history. At the Magic Castle, your new nickname, romantic nickname, Tarzan. Wow. All right. Very cool is that. Now, you'll notice there's only one card that says Tarzan on it. And I'm going to have you take that Tarzan card and push it all the way in there for me. Excellent. You get to pick a card too. So I'm just going to shuffle through, just say stop anytime.
Stop.
Right there. Ooh, the Queen of Diamonds. This is a good sign. This means there's more diamonds in your future.
Oh.
And you're the queen.
Yeah.
And do you have a romantic nickname for her? Esther? Oh no, I'll tell you what, let's go back to these. There's some great ones in there. Let's see what you got.
Go with drill sergeant.
Really? Well, that is interesting. Do you have a video of that?
We'll go cutie pie. I was kidding.
Cutie pie. You just cutie pie. I'll put cutie pie. There she is, my beautiful cutie pie right there. All right, now there's only one card that says cutie pie on it. That's the Queen of Diamonds. That's your card. Cutie pie, if I may call you that. Do you see your card going in the center of the deck?
Yes.
Absolutely. Now, I'm going to bring out my love bag. Would you open it up? Show everybody what is inside the love bag. Suspenseful, isn't it? Nothing. This is a low-budget show. Do you see anything inside there?
Nothing.
Yeah, Tarzan, put your hand in there. Do you feel any trapdoors, secret
Nothing
compartments,
at all.
any
It's
flaps? No.
completely empty.
This bag is as empty as your two
Completely
lives were before you met. And just as you two came together in a mixed-up world, we're going to bring you two cards together in a mixed-up way. What's going to happen is I'm going to shake the bag, and one of you is going to throw the knife.
Hell yeah.
Who wants to throw the knife?
I.
Oh, that was quick.
Cutie pie.
No, you, one of you.
Cutie
you-
pie.
Guys on the.
Cutie pie.
Tarzan throws the knife. All right. Tarzan
No.
Yes.
or Cutie Pie? Cutie Pie, have you ever thrown a knife before? All right. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I am no longer allowed to have my guests throw the knife due to the unfortunate brunch incident. I swear the kid moved. All right. Now, what's happened is each of you have signed a card. And each of you have lost it in the deck. Now, I'm going to try to secure both cards. If I get both cards, you guys are going to be together for the rest of your life. Does that sound good?
Sounds great.
Great answer. All right, here we go. 7 years plus. Here we go. Okay, I only got one card. Oh no. Tarzan. Oh, wait. Tarzan, look at this.
What?
Oh, this is the first time this has ever happened. Would you very carefully remove the card from there? Would you examine that? Are those two cards glued together, or is that one card?
Just one card.
That is one card. Your two cards have melted together very much like your two lives have melted together. And that is real magic. And you won't find another two of spades or Queen of Diamonds in the deck. But ladies and gentlemen, that's the magic trick. That's the magic. But this is the magic trick. Not spilling the drink.
Wow.
I would like to make a toast to a wonderful couple, Tarzan and Cutie Pie. Cheers. May you find all the love and happiness that life can hold, and at the end of all your rainbows, may you find a pot of gold. Cheers. That's my show.